Hi, hello. You are watching now at World News Desk channel. So that is the name of my YouTube channel, my dear viewers. So I do hope you will like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, for today's updates, you are all aware of the happenings over here in the Philippines. And we all know that a major earthquake struck in the Visayan Islands, particularly off the shore of Cebu province. A 6.9 magnitude earthquake occurred just last night, September 30, 2025, in the evening at exactly 10 o'clock in the evening. Okay? And it was a horrific uh, catastrophe which happened in the Philippines. And uh, we are all in sorrow for those victims in Cebu City, especially in Bogo City, which is the epicenter of the earthquake. There were, at present, there are nearly 70 deaths, and then there are several injuries which occurred to the people of Cebu. So, this calamity just give us a reflection that at all times we should always be prepared. So that's it. The updates over here in the Philippines. I am your host. You just call me Brother Ariel. Thank you, and more updates in my latest videos.